Y'all, I had to throw this in here. Today is Monday. I came in here after work. How come I found the sweater, y'all? The chunky H&M sweater today. So y'all getting it right now live. Hi, subbies. Welcome back to Simply Natural Black Life. It is officially December 31st. So it's New Year Eve to you guys. So Happy New Year's to everybody. It's still the same time. It's just, I keep trying to explain to y'all. But anyway, yeah, I'm just sitting here. I'm actually getting ready to go to work. So I said I'll turn this camera on with y'all, chit chat for a little while. And then hopefully I can get this video up probably this evening just for our opening day. I'm kind of glad that I have to work because it just relieves some tension and stress off of me. I'd rather be doing that than doing anything else. Like, I can always sleep. I can always clean up my house. I can always rest. I can always just do the things. So I decided to work. I'd rather just be at work. And when I get home, I can drink some wine if I want to. I can go live and have a drink with y'all if I want to. But I decided to work. So that's what I'm going to do. So I know I need to make a sandwich. Oh, I need to show y'all something. Hold the line, please. I actually thought I heard the FedEx truck or the Amazon truck because I have a package that's supposed to be delivered today. So hopefully it'll be delivered because both of the packages, the one package I got will be featured on the other channel, Simply Black Vegan. If you're not following me over there, follow me, Simply Black Vegan, okay? So shameless plug, but it's not shameless. It's not shameless. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna take y'all in my room. It's rainy, super rainy here today. Rainy and cloudy. That's why you don't see a bunch of light, but I hope y'all can see me because I'm light bright, right? I'm light bright. All right, let's go in my room. Let me get rid of some stuff. I showed y'all that I've got the chunky sweater, right? Y'all, I'm so sorry. I thought I was not recording, but I'm gonna let this go too. This is a New Day Target brand. And it's actually like really nice too. It has, let's go over here. Y'all know this one. I usually wear this to work or with some sweats. It has like the puffy rouge, you know, like the same thing here. I've had that for a while too. So that's gonna go. This is gonna go. The sweater over there is gonna go. And then later on, I know when I get home from work, I do have to wash. So I have to wash some black stuff. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and get ready to make my sandwich because I have to leave here in like at least a half an hour. And I was trying to take a nap. Yeah, I'm going to have to wash. That's what I'm going to have to do. I'm going to have to wash later. But I wanted to get out the stuff that I wanted to let it go. I forgot I had washed towels and stuff yesterday. So I need to put these away. Get that out of the way. And then I need to also move my plant. I got to find somewhere to move this plant, y'all. Let me put where am I going? I need to put these things in the bathroom. I am tripping. How y'all doing today, though? How is everybody doing? Oh, I left water running? Girl. Oh, my God. I don't like no high water bill. So, yeah, I rotate my towels. Y'all know how I go. So I think this one goes. Using that turmeric though, make your towels have that yellow stuff on it. So that didn't come off, but it's okay. It's okay. Wait a minute, something's missing. Something is missing. I think my white towel goes here, like that. And then this goes here. Is that how I had that? I don't even remember how I had it. Okay, I'll figure it out another time, but we gotta go and move this. I gotta move this plant right quick. So yeah, I love the plant here, but it's like all the way in the hallway. It's like doing the most in the hallway. So I'm gonna try to move it somewhere else. Let's see what we could do. Ooh, I don't know where I want her though. That's the thing, she's so big. Look at her. She's dragging the wall. She is dragging the wall. Let me see. I'm just gonna put her over here where she was before out of the way because since I have that credenza over there, I think I don't know. I'll put her in the humidifier. Humidifier's on too. Yeah, the humidifier is good for your houseplants. So, oh, and I don't know if I showed y'all, she got a new leaf coming up there. Do y'all see it? Matter of fact, she got two. It's two up there. See it? Two new ones right there. And then we have the two, hold on. We have the two, can y'all see that? The two new ones right here, right there. So that's gonna have to work for now. I mean, we can figure out something at a later time, but I have to start getting ready to go. And then I'm gonna slide this credenza over a little bit. Cause, yeah. Okay, that should be good. All right, I need to go make my sandwich. Ain't nothing like a good veggie sandwich, y'all. Ain't nothing like it, okay? We're gonna get this done. I gotta go get dressed. And yeah, I'll see y'all in a minute, okay? So I know y'all nosy and y'all greedy like me. Y'all wanna see the salad is done. I mean, salad, it's like a salad. It's a salad on the bread, okay? There you go, right there. Looks good, don't it? So that's it. I'm gonna close it. Let me be great. Oh, and let me be great. So you smash it. Y'all know how to go. Look at that goodness coming out. Get back in there. Woo. Okay. Gonna cut her like so. Whatever comes out, I just, y'all know. Y'all already know. Put it in there. It's in there. All ready to go. Now it's time to finally go get dressed, okay? All right, y'all gotta fold these up so I can put them in my car so they're all ready to go. So I don't have to go searching for anything. So I don't have to go searching. I don't like when they have these. They're gonna find another way for like when you hang up sweaters that's like turtlenecks, because you gotta go through all that. I can't wait to hang up my new sweater. Yeah, so these are gone. Sometimes it's time to let go of things that hold like memories and symbolisms and things like that. It's all right to let it go. Let's go see what kind of perfume we gonna put on. Put this hanger up. See that space? Y'all see that space? Because both of those sweaters was here. I had ended up putting that bigger, thicker, like sweat top one with the puff shoulders. And that was in my drawer with my sweat stuff. But look, I'm breaking it down and getting it down to the bare minimum. Let's put on some smell goods. What are we gonna wear today, Sonia? Okay. Let's put on, can y'all see down here? Let me fix my, okay. Sorry, guys. Not sorry. Yes, I am. Let's finish this off. We gotta finish this. I've been spraying this in my car too, in my vents. That's another way you can get rid of stuff. See, we only got that much to go of the mix bar. You can put this on your hair. Can y'all see that? If you want some. I got it from Ollie's for $3. Hair, you can put on your hair and your, matter of fact, I forgot about that. You can put on your hair and your body. So that's what we're gonna do. And then I'm also gonna use the Vanilla Dream today. It smells so good. So I always try to shake it up and spray it. Oh my God, it smells so good, y'all. All right, it's time to roll out. So I'll see you guys in the car. So this is outfit of the day. I put on this long cardigan. I got on the, these are actually like active wear pants, but you can wear them to get around or you can dress them up, but they have the pockets on the side. They pack, you can pack, you know what I mean? Unpack. Okay, so everything is packed. Everything is done. Let's get it, let's go. Y'all, she a beast. I love my baby. She a beast.
I see him good with precision. Give us my only decision. Ain't got no one that back calling me splurge.
Hey, sorry for the jumpiness, y'all. But guys, great things are coming. Great things are coming. Great things are coming. Let me turn y'all this way. Yeah, I can't wait. I've been through a lot. I've been through so much. But I have to remember to always remember bad things happen to good people. Bad things happen to good people. I'm going to throw in another picture of me and my children. I think I've been throwing them in here and there, but I'm going to throw in one. Yeah. I'm trying to think too. I was going to ask y'all as my well, not content creators, but content viewers that watch my channel. Have y'all ever decided, have y'all ever thought about starting a channel, a YouTube channel? You can do it. You can do whatever you do in life and just start you a YouTube channel. People will watch you. And just be realistic. Just be real. You don't have to go all in debt and stuff like that, but just be realistic. I try to do that when I post my videos. So take that into consideration. Try it. If you've been wanting to think about trying to do YouTube, try it. You might be successful with it. So you just never know. But I wanted to throw that out there for anybody who was curious or thought about, doing it. So yeah, I think I am going to end this video. This camera keeps shaking every time I hit the tracks. Yeah, I hope everybody has a very great day. A new start, if that's what you want to call it. So yeah, I'm about to jump on this freeway. Some people call it an E-way, some people call it a freeway. I'm about to jump on the highway and get where I gotta get, so I can be on time. I like being on time. I like to get that extra money, you know what I mean? Gotta get that extra money to take care of this black beauty, this beast right here. Okay, that and a multitude of other things. Y'all know what I mean? Y'all know, because we all doing it. We all doing the same thing, and we just keep on doing it. But honey, I'm telling you, I'm getting tired of doing it, okay? I'm getting tired. I'm tired of, I don't want to do this for the rest of myself alone. I'm just going to put it out there. I'm sorry. I'm being honest. And a lot of you women, y'all shouldn't want that either. I ain't no boss bee. I used to be. I used to think that ain't real. That's delusional, okay? Ain't no such thing as no boss bee. Nobody got time to be doing all this, because all this stuff is BS, okay? Keeping it real. But I will see y'all. Thanks for hanging out with me. And I hope this video bring you some kind of peace, some kind of joy. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. And always remember, love yourself so that you get to love others. So this world will be a much better place. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Wow.